Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to join a party on the Blockman GO game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Blockman GO game on your device and make sure that you are logged into your account using your credentials. After logging in, you will be taken into your homepage from which you can start enjoying various different games. Now, if you wish to join any party, just tap on the message icon at the bottom section and this will take you into the chat page. In order to join any party, tap on the party option at the top and you will now be asked to enter the room number of the party that you wish to join. You can simply type in the room number within the given box and tap on the join button, and you will also see various different recommendations of parties that you can join. You can tap on the plus icon for any party and you will now join this party right away. This will download the resources that are required for this particular game of the party that you have joined. And after it is done, you will be able to start playing within the same game on the same room right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to join any party on the Blockman GO game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.